Hi there, it's Adam at Fordingtons in Hexham, and today I'm showing you around this 2016 66 plate Suzuki Swift 1.2 SZL, finished in all black metallic with the black alloy wheels. SZL came with the rear upper spoiler as well, in really good condition. Sold this one from new. That's the inside. Really clean, nice size. Got really quite a low mileage on this vehicle as well, just an over 23,000. And then on the inside you've got your touch screen sat nav, also radio display, cruise control, Bluetooth, volume, full service history, all done by ourselves. They really are a nice car to drive. It's only about £30 road tax, I believe, as well. Daytime running lights there, as you can see. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you now, bye.